Watch the SlabCart Pro handle a Mahal slab with mitered edge. Secured using cross braces and quick-change clamps, the slab remains fully supported from the start of the process. Designed as a securing platform, the SlabCart Pro supports the slab from preparation through final placement without transfer. With locking casters and designated anchor points, the SlabCart Pro is locked down and secured for transport. The slab remains supported throughout loading onto the trailer. Upon arrival, the SlabCart Pro allows safe and controlled offloading. The slab remains secured, eliminating the need to transfer to an A-frame or additional handling equipment. Equipped with a pull handle for controlled movement, the SlabCart Pro maintains stability while navigating inclines and uneven surfaces. Its balanced design provides confidence during movement, from exterior access points to interior workspaces. With tilt capability and electric lift, the SlabCart Pro allows the slab to be positioned directly in place. There is no traditional detaching, picking up, or sliding onto the island. The slab remains secured throughout the placement process, enabling controlled precision positioning. From factory to final installation, the SlabCart Pro delivers secure transport, controlled mobility, and precision placement in one continuous system.